OpenAI just launched automatic code reviews with Codex, and this is genuinely a game changer for dev teams. They're not talking about basic linting or static analysis. This is an AI agent that actually reviews your pull requests, catches real bugs, and can even fix them for you. Let me show you why engineering teams are already switching to this. So here's what makes this different. Traditional code review tools scan your code for syntax errors or style issues. Codex Code Review actually understands your entire code base. It's not just looking at the diff you changed, it's tracking dependencies, understanding context, and catching bugs that would slip past. Most automated tools. The model was specifically trained to find issues that developers would actually fix in production, not just throw random nitpicks at you. The setup is ridiculously simple. You go into your Codex web settings, flip a switch, and that's it. Every pull request to that repo gets automatically reviewed. No complex configuration, no wrestling with YAML files. Just enable it and move on with your life. Now when you create a PR, you'll see those little eyes emoji while Codex is reviewing. Once it's done, you get actual intelligent feedback. And here's where it gets interesting. You can trigger reviews manually too, even on draft PRs before any human sees them. Just comment at Codex review this PR and you can add specific instructions. Tell it to focus on security, performance, whatever matters for that particular change. What really sets this apart is the tooling. Codex doesn't just read your code and guess. It can run tests, execute commands, write Python scripts to verify its own hypotheses. Maya from OpenAI's alignment team shared an example where the model formed a theory about a potential bug, wrote test code to validate it, and showed the results on actual examples. That's not static analysis. That's an engineering teammate doing proper investigation. The training behind this is fascinating. They specifically optimized for high precision. Nobody wants a code review bot spamming pointless comments. OpenAI trained this model to catch bugs that actually matter, the kind that would delay production releases or cause real problems. When they evaluated it against previous model generations, the rate of incorrect comments dropped significantly. But the real test is developers using it daily. And the feedback has been solid. OpenAI has been dogfooding this internally for months. They've caught critical training run bugs. That would have delayed model releases, configuration issues that weren't visible from just looking at the diff. One example that stood out was Alex, their Codex product manager, contributing to the VS Code extension. He implemented a feature, but the code review model caught that he'd removed a React prop incorrectly, breaking the CSS behavior. That's the kind of subtle bug you need to understand the broader codebase to spot. And then Alex just replied at Codex, fair enough, fix it up, and Codex handled the correction. That workflow is clean. This ties into the bigger picture of AI verification. As coding agents get more powerful and generate more code, human review becomes the bottleneck. Maya mentioned this specifically. They're training verification models to scale alongside AI capabilities, because we need robust ways to check AI-generated code at scale. Code review is part of that research direction, and they're testing it in production rather than just running academic experiments. You can also customize how Codex reviews your code. They trained it to be steerable through Agents.md, that open format for coding agent instructions. Drop an Agents.md file in your repo with your team's code review guidelines, and Codex will follow them. You can tell it what to focus on, what to ignore, even how to phrase its feedback. Maya joked she added an instruction telling Codex to remind her she's still an amazing programmer. Every time it finds a bug, that's genuinely funny but also shows how flexible the system is. There's also a CLI version now. You can run /review in your terminal to check your local changes before they even hit GitHub. This is perfect for catching issues early, before you open a PR and potentially waste reviewer time. OpenAI said they're improving the CLI review features rapidly over the coming weeks. Bottom line, this is what the future of code review looks like. You've got Codex as a coding partner in your editor. You've got it as a cloud teammate, handling tasks asynchronously. And now you've got it reviewing your code locally and on GitHub, catching bugs before your coworkers even see them, and definitely before anything hits production. It's going to help teams ship faster and safer, and honestly, it's already happening. If you're running an engineering team and you're not at least testing this, you're probably behind. That's the reality. AI code review isn't coming. It's here, and it works. Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.